Fenesta also recommends a barrier against high-velocity winds that often blow with the rain. Ooh, I find that really eerie, all the whistling winds and rattling windows.
This is the problem with conventional windows. They are simply not strong enough to cope with gale-force winds that lash both coastal areas and the upper reaches of a high-rise building. In no time, these windows start to rattle and fall apart. So do your nerves.
Now take a look at the wind resistance of Fenesta windows. The frame is made from exceptionally broad sections and fortified further with thicker steel reinforcements and a special invention called the Hurricane Bar. These special features have created the only window in the world that can stand up to 245 km/h winds.